Yeah, nah, if the roof wasn't wet, I feel like we could have got it.
Yeah, this over here, I can see like it has black on it, so it has me a little more nervous than the rest.
I wouldn't, there's no reason to risk it if we could just move it. That part is bad. I don't know if it could push though. See if you could push all that.
Right here, I could get this part.
Did you want the stick? If it moves to me, I could grab it right here. See if you can flush the rest of me.
I can, I just don't want to make you all full of crap. That's the key thing.
No, spray it. I'm pretty sure all this would move. I broke up all this in the front of it. From like where that corner is, so you don't gotta...
Well, if I start here, it'll move.
It's coming. Flush it again.
Yeah, I just want to get this out.
Shit. Need a full bucket.
Okay. What's your zip code? Alright, I can actually look at it today, but it'll be about, probably in a couple hours. Oh yeah, I'll be waiting for it. I'll just take your address. Alright, thank you. Let me just throw this in there, then you can go down.
All right.
Did you get the text I sent you?
No, I don't know.
It's not an emergency, but around your vent pipes, the seal's cracked on both of them.
I'm guessing to go up there. Good job. Today, good done.
Yes, I do both. It's good, especially if you got your own business. Oh. Flush it. What do you do? Plumbing videos? Like he does plumbing? Is it all residential? Commercial? My cousin does that now. He's in he's like the water treatment for like I don't know what system it's called, like the coolers. Yeah, the chillers. Some with water pressure. Is that why you got good water pressure? It's all coming.
They charge you for everything.
I know, my wife tells me the other day, we don't have no water. I go to the faucet, I go, you have all the water you want. What do you mean you don't have water? I mean the drink. I go, I drink it out of the faucet. You really won't drink it out of the faucet.
I feel like that too. They won't drink out of flags. They don't get any fun.
Yeah. Can I use that hose real quick?
Yeah, yeah. What it's there for. But like I said,
I'm gonna clean that up.
When I was younger, they didn't sell fucking water.
Well, like bottled?
Yeah, we bought bottled water.
My dad said like when his dad was alive that, like you said, they didn't have to pay, they didn't have a water bill.
No, there was no water meter.
There's no water meter. That started in the 80s? Tim, do you need me on this side? Tim?
I didn't know.
Oh. No, I don't want to make a mess, man. I can just place it right back there, or?
Anyway, drop it.
Thank you. Tim,
Yeah,
there's a little gutter on this side too.
I took care of it.
It's good?
Yeah.
You want me to move it to here?
Yeah, put it right here.
I think that pipe is leaking. I don't know if it's because of the pitch. You need the tar? Can you get that corner right there, or is that too steep?
Which corner? Oh, I can get there.
Because I was just gonna say that and push it to me. I don't know if it's gonna reach this. I got most of it to flush back, but
I'm gonna gotta be careful.
yeah, I'm still on it. Yeah, it's right here.